Hello, good morning to one and all. Today we are going to start the next chapter, lesson number 4, our body. Okay, you know about your body, and this that is whatever is there in your body, how it is working, that all you will be studying in this chapter. This is the first video of lesson number 4, class 5, science. Now before I start, I am showing you something. These are the biscuits. In the biscuits, if you add 4 or 5 biscuits, this packet is having 4 to 5 biscuits of biscuits. Okay. Then more biscuits, if these 2 packets are added, one more becomes, a bigger one becomes, it becomes a bigger one. Then what happens is this becomes a packet of biscuits. You keep these 2 or 3 packet of biscuit together. Another one together. This one, bigger one, also together. Fine, like this. If you have a lot of biscuits, like 4 or 5 packets you are having, you can make a big structure of the biscuits, isn't it? That is, you can make a big structure of that particular small biscuits. That is, different small biscuits, they combine together and form a structure. This structure can be like this, or suppose I have a box. I keep all these things, all these biscuits in the box. No problem. All the biscuits I am keeping in the box. Okay. So I close this box. So what is still left, but that is it. I am closing the box. So can we say this biscuit or this box is made up of these biscuits? Fine. That is, whatever is there in this box, the small thing, the small biscuit is made up of, and all these biscuits are covered or collected and they are in this box. Similarly, our body is made up of, what it is made up of? Cells. Like the whole biscuit, whole packet is having small biscuits, our body is also made up of small cells. So whatever is the taste of this whole biscuit, whatever is the taste of the small one inside, whatever is there, the same is the taste of the whole biscuit. So what is the thing is, that cell is the structural and functional unit of body. Structural and functional unit. Okay. Now, different biscuits have made up a packet. That means a group of biscuits have made a packet. Clear? Similarly, a group of cells have made a tissue. When the cells combine together, they are called as tissues. So when you are writing of tissues, it will be group of cells. No problem. Now when this, I told, when the small biscuits, they are combined, they make a, this small biscuits, they make a bigger one. Okay. Then group of tissues, they make a organ. Group of tissues, when many tissues they are combined together, they make a organ. Like in your digestive system, I think in class 4 you have read about your digestive system. In your digestive system, what is the case? The food is going to your mouth, then to food pipe, then lungs, then stomach, then small intestine, large intestine. So here also mouth will be an organ. So Group of tissues make an organ, and group of organ having different function, having same function, not different, performing a specific function. So here it will be group of tissues. Okay, they make a organ. Then different organs, like hand is an organ, legs will be an organ. When they are making a particular specific function, that is called as organ system. So when you are talking of organ system, it will be group of organs. Okay, and when different organs, like in our body we are having different system, when different organ system, they combine together. Like in our body we are having, start from the beginning, skeletal system, muscular system, nervous system, circulatory system, digestive system. All these systems make up an organism. That organism can be small, that organism can be big one. Okay, so organism will be any human body or any living thing. Human body or living thing. Okay, so this is clear. That is, these are the different components of our body. This is the introduction to the first chapter, fourth chapter. Different components of our body. Start from cells, group of cells making tissues, group of tissues making organ, group of organ making organ system, and group of organ system making organism. This has to be clear, and then we will go to the next topic of the chapter, that is the skeletal system, in the next video.